today we're going to be starting with writing prompt number 4.
Oh, it's the writing.
Okay. Okay, so it's writing prompt number 4. And let's read it together. Okay, so it's today on the top, and it's missing some letters like in the classroom when we have it on the whiteboard. So today is Thursday, April 16, 2020. Okay, and it says, what is your favorite thing in the whole wide world to do and why? Okay. Do any of your friends like to do the same activity? Describe a day in which you and your friends could do the activity all day long. Okay, so you're going to think of your favorite thing that you like to do and why you like to do it. Okay. And do any of your friends like to do the same activity? Okay, so think what you like to do and which friend likes to do the same activity like you. We'll be doing the same activity all day because that's how much you love that activity. Okay. Okay. Ready? So now I'm going to go, okay, get your writing journal. Okay, and we're going to start with the date. Can I? Okay, ready? So we're going to start with the date from the writing prompt. So we start today, and on the paper it has the lines. So that means I need to write the missing letters, like in the classroom. So today is Thursday, comma, April 16, 2020. I'm going to start our first sentence. Okay. I like to blank, and now the why. because okay, so I like to play kickball because I like to be chasing the ball. I like to read a book because I will learn a lot from it. Okay, so think of your activity. So right now you're copying it like this with the blanks, and then you can fill them in later. Okay. Same activity. Okay. So think which of your friend likes that same activity? Reading or playing kickball, drawing. Okay, so we're going to start on the next sentence. Okay, so my friend freaking going slow. My friend blank likes the same activity, period. And your friends could do the activity all day. Okay, so you're going to start. Okay, if my friend and I did the activity all day, we okay, so if my friend and I did the activity all day, we Okay, so if I was to start, I like to read because I learn a lot. That's my blue sentence. My friend Ms. Ornelas likes the same activity. If my friend and I did the activity all day, we would have a room filled with books, and we wouldn't stop reading all day long. That would be my red sentence. Follow? And then the second time we will read it together. Okay. Ready? So put your finger on the title. Okay. And it's Earth Day Fun. Ready? So Earth Day Fun.
It's fun.
Okay. I wanted to do something to help the earth because we had been learning about Earth Day. I asked my friends to help. We went around the playground and picked up lots of trash. We are really helping the earth. My friend Mia said, let's go to the park and clean up there too. After school, we went to the park and picked up trash by the pond so the water would be safe and clean for the animals that live there. It was fun helping the earth today. Mia said, let's do this all the time. Okay, so question number 1. What made the child decide to do something to help the earth? Okay, so get your crayon. Circle number 1. If you have a red one, use the red one. If not, use any color that you have. Okay, so what made the child decide to do something to help the earth? So it's the child decide and then to help the earth. That's the answer we're looking for. Okay, so now we need to go to the story. Let me move the screen over. Okay. Okay, so right here on line number 2, that's where we have the text evidence. Okay. I wanted to do something to help the earth because we had been learning about Earth Day. Okay. So it's we had been learning about Earth Day. So underline your text evidence. Okay. So it's line number 2. Now we go to the questions. Let me move my screen over to the question. Okay, so okay, so let me go back. When we are writing the answer, are we going to write we? Are we in the story? No, we're going to change we, okay, to they. 3. Okay, let me move it over. Okay, so right here, I'm going to write my answer. They had been learning about Earth Day, period. So now listen, tomorrow we will continue answering the rest of the questions 2, 3, and 4. Today your homework is only to practice the fluency. That means you're only going to practice reading the story on this side, okay? Do not answer the questions. This, and this, we will work together tomorrow. Okay, we will finish answering the questions. So just practice your fluency, and you could write your first score right here, okay, where it says the first one. Then you continue practicing, okay, and then you write your second score, and then you stop, and then you go and you read it again, and you write your other score, okay? So practice your fluency right here, like your homework, okay? So we're going to stop here. Now we're going to continue with our math from yesterday.